welcome to the 6th week of the Indian Jungle Book. Actually, I don't know why you call it week, because when you do things week after week and make a habit out of it, it can only become stronger and stronger. So actually, welcome to the 6th strong of the Indian Jungle Book, where I combine human with nature and make it human nature to bring out your wild and your inner side to become the beast of you as the page of the Indian Jungle Book. Actually, speaking of wild, it doesn't suit for me to talk about this episode in this kind of man-made environment. So let me go from the human environment to the nature part of it right away. तो ये जो इंडियन जंगल बुक में मैं करता हूँ विच आई कॉल कंजर्वेशन बाय कॉन्वर्सेशन, ये मैं अपनी तरफ से तो नेचर के लिए कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि व्हेन आई गो एंड टॉक टू पीपल एंड आई ड्रॉ टाइगर, तो लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं कि कहाँ से आया ये आइडिया और तुम करते क्या हो, कैसे करते हो इसको. देन आई गेट अ चांस टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट नेचर्स इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन मी हैज़ बीन, एंड दैट देन आई होप समवेयर 1-2% ऑफ पीपल हु आई टॉक टू एंड अप बीइंग कन्वर्टेड टू नोटिस नेचर बेटर, एंड वहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा काम शुरू होता है यार. अब मेरे अलावा और कौन इसका कस्टोडियन है? ये आप लोग हो. तो आप सोचो अभी नेचर के लिए करना क्या है, क्योंकि ये काम अगर आप ऊपर वाले के लिए छोड़ोगे ना, तो गॉड का यार सही में मालूम नहीं है. हम लोग उसको बहुत सारे शब्द बोलते हैं, स्पिरिचुअलिटी, फेथ, धार्मिकता, बट ये पत्थर के थोड़े बहुत चीज़ें जो बने हैं, उसके अलावा गॉड को एक्चुअली किसी ने देखा है क्या? हाँ, तो डोंट लीव इट टू गॉड फॉर हिम टू कम एंड हेल्प. इट इज़ यू हु हैज़ टू डू द कॉन्जर्वेशन. God? Where am I? What is... Oh! Bhagwan ho? Yes, it is me. Look at this light shining above my head. Don't I look like God? But God... You stay here? आप टॉयलेट में रहते हो? अरे, so what if I'm in the bathroom? Shit happens. And after all, संन्यास और संडास में एक ही अल्फाबेट का फर्क है. ये तो मैंने आपसे ही सीखा है. अरे God, but one amazing thing is you look just like me. How come? Yes, I look like whoever I meet. Isn't that anyway what you made God out to be? Different faces and different shapes to different people. So I suit you by being exactly who you are. Except of course I keep the smile on my face, because my life I haven't made as tough. So I am no sad guru. I am a happy one. सही है. I like it, God. You mean to say I can chill here with you? It doesn't matter it is a bathroom. Still this is better than the shithole that I come from. So I can stay here with you, God. Heaven? You want to stay here with me in heaven? No. There is a lot of work for you to still do. So please go back. No, God, please don't send me back. It's really hell down there. I don't want to go back. I'm very happy. It doesn't matter. Two of us, we look alike. We can take turns, God. I don't mind being on the floor and you being inside the bathtub. But toilet, ये वाला आपका भगवान का heavenly toilet चलेगा मुझे. I'll stay here with you. अरे बाबा. Every fellow who comes up here says that, but you have so much more to be done. I have seen you do nothing down there. All I see you do is... Wait, this is a family YouTube show, no? All I see you do down there is beep 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 and some more beep. It'll be a long time before you deserve to be able to come up here and chill out with me. What? I promise I am not turning around, I am not fooling around, I am actually making these cartoons with a very serious purpose. I call them conservation के लिए conversation. I have conversation over it and we talk about serious things of wildlife also, God. These are all animal cartoons. I endorse nature. I say live life, love life, be a human being, not a human being. Conservation के लिए काफी करता हूँ, God. Now you are making it difficult for me to keep this smile. Don't do marketing of your stuff. Lot of photographers say conservation, but I call them, you know what? Fartographers. So don't do any marketing. I can see everything from up here. अरे गॉड, अभी एक किया ना, आई वेंट टू वन संडे, सुबह सुबह उठ के मैं सुबह उठता ही नहीं हूँ, बट नाउ ये चीज के लिए कंजर्वेशन एंड कन्वर्सेशन, आई गॉट अप इन द मॉर्निंग ऑन अ संडे एंड वेंट फॉर अ स्पैरो वर्कशॉप। वो स्पैरो सब गुल हो गए गॉड अपने प्लेनेट से, तो स्पैरो को वापस ले आने के लिए देयर वाज समबडी हु वाज टीचिंग हाउ टू बी एबल टू मेक बर्ड नेस्ट एंड गेट देम बैक। तो वर्कशॉप पे गया मैं एंड आई वाज आस्किंग एवरीबॉडी कि कार्टून ले लो, कार्टून ले लो। अभी एक दो लोग ने उसको भाग भी दिया, कुछ लोगों ने भगा भी दिया, बट देखो ना गॉड, आप खुद ही देखो उसको। I am here at a place called Ragikana in South Bangalore, where they are apparently having a workshop to teach you how to be able to make nests to bring the birds back in. Very valuable. Let me try and see what I can cover here and maybe get a page of the Indian Jungle Book.
And you are very enthusiastic and have a nest box ready for them.
Session has just got over. Mr. Prasad, super busy trying to save the little birds. So when he's talking about little birds, big initiative, doesn't have little time. But we can always connect with him later. Maybe you'll hear him, meet him somewhere else. But he's not creating a page of the Indian Jungle Book. But we'll move on. I'll bring you somebody else from somewhere else. And after weeks of getting people requesting me to draw their line into a tiger or a big cat, I finally had somebody request that I draw a bird life, specifically an aquatic bird. Thank you for sharing this episode. Actually, I have been observing for many years now, humans have been behaving bird-brained. I think I may have hurried up and interchanged the brain and the bodies. I have an idea. I can start fixing it from right away. Which means, you when you go back, with that little extra brain you seem to be showing, need to be in a bird's body, right? So here you go. And have a happy life, flap away, and wishing you wind beneath your wings, my boy. आप मुझे bird no no God no 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 please 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 no 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 no. Huh? What? What? This god turned me into a pigeon? It's true. It's actually true that this man turned me into a bird. And I didn't even open my mouth and say anything when all the trees were being cut. Where will I sit? How will I draw the next page of the Indian Jungle Book? Oh my god, calm down, Anant, calm down. Let's go and find this god. I've got to find him and get changed back to myself.